Okay, we are starting the today we will revise the equations of motion. Right now, we are revisiting what are the important topic that we have discussed in the chapter number 8 in physics. The important term that we have discussed in the chapter was we have discussed motion and the definition of motion we have given, rest and motion definition, motion's variable, displacement, velocity, acceleration we have defined, and types of motion, uniform motion and uniform accelerated motion we have defined, and the different typical graphs also we have seen in the chapter. Position time graph, alright. So the important topic that I am taking as a revisions is derivations of equation of motion. Is that clear? And that is uniform accelerated motion. So motion pattern I am telling you, motion pattern. So two types of pattern you have discussed of motion. First pattern is what here? Uniform motion. First is uniform motion. Second is uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion and uniform motion. What is uniform motion and how can we understanding tool क्या है इसका? What is the understanding tool? Tools are what here? XT curve and VT curve. This you will study. Okay, XT curve and VT curve. What is XT curve? The graphical representation. Along the x-axis we will take as a time. This will take as a t. Okay. Okay. And along the y-axis we will take as a position. Okay. If the graph will looks like that, uniform motion this is called. Clear? So what about the uniform motion? It's a time. Okay. Look here. Time can be taken in minutes, second, and anything. Okay. And here is position. Position is taken as x. If the graphical representation is this, the motion is said to be uniform accelerated motion. The term that is to be discussed here, slope of xt curve. Slope of xt curve. So what about the slope of xt curve? This bendingness of the curve here, okay, or this quantity is called what here? Slope, or this numerically equal to velocity or speed. Okay. If xt curve is coming this typical xt curve, it's a position time curve. So what type of motion it is? Non-uniform motion. Don't be confused with the non-uniform motion and non-uniform motion and accelerated motion. This is the confusion due to word uniform. Student को लगता है uniform, एक बार बोल देता है uniform. This is uniform. This is non-uniform. बस ऐसे बोल. अरे आगे तो देख लीजिए. Accelerated and it's a simply motion. Clear or not? So what are the equations of motion we have discussed already in the chapter? Equations of motion: V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square is equal to U square plus twice A. As these three equations of motion we have discussed. Okay, and that example I gave you, चीटी घर से निकली, right or not? याद है क्या आपको? She got her friend elephant on the way, right now. She wandering here and there and take a gupchup with her friends, right now. And goes to the temple, mandir gayi, and she worship for that and come back from that. And she goes with the cinema mall to see to watch the picture, right now. So a lot of things, activity she has done with the elephant right now. And if I would say to calculate the speed and position displacement of the cheetah, that's ant. So can you use this idea and this formula for calculating the distance velocity? So the answer is no. Because this motion is very randomly, sir. आपका example इतना bore हुआ दिमाग slow जाता है example से. Is that clear or not? So obviously equation how can work with that here? So equations are well working with uniform accelerated. The motion must be uniform accelerated. Is it possible to maintain the uniform accelerated motion in practical life? Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform means simple pattern. Non-uniform means equal distance. I'm telling this. Non-uniform motion. First you have to understand the definition of uniform. Equal time interval, equal distance. Equal time interval, equal distance. Just like that, you are traveling, you are riding bicycle. Every second you are traveling 10 meter. Every second you are traveling half meter. Half meter means in 1 second half meter, next second full meter, next 1.5, next 2, means every second you are traveling with half meter, right now. So equal distance in equal time interval, the motion is said to be uniform motion. But what about non-uniform motion? You travel first half minute, you will travel फर्स्ट हाफ सेकेंड, पहले हाफ सेकेंड में आप कितना ट्रेवल करेंगे, हाफ मीटर, नेक्स्ट हाफ सेकेंड में या फिर 1 सेकेंड में, नेक्स्ट 1 सेकेंड में आप कितना ट्रेवल करेंगे, हाफ नॉट, यू विल नॉट ट्रेवल हाफ मीटर, 1 मीटर ट्रेवल करेंगे बार, फिर नेक्स्ट हाफ में कितने और ज्यादा ट्रेवल करेंगे. सो इट्स अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. सो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म कैन बी फर्दर एक्सेलरेटेड. आई एम टेलिंग दिस.
Sir, I'm asking the difference
It's a
between
time I'm
uniform
telling
and
you.
uniform
Wait a
acceleration.
minute. It's a time, okay, or it's a displacement, or position we can speak here, okay. So position I'm telling you, it's a position, not a displacement. Here I will tell you displacement or distance. Clear? Time. Suppose it's a 10 point 10 बज करके, right now 10 minute 1 second. Is that clear? So 10 2 second, 10 3 second, 4 second, right? 5 second, 6 second, 7 second, furthermore. So its position is what here? At 5 meter its position was. Then later is 6th meter. 6th meter, right now. It's a 7 meter. वो पूरा 5 meter नहीं चल रहा है, 5वें मीटर पे था वो, right now. Position. It's a 5 meter, it's a 6, 7, 8, 9, clear? This is, it's a 8, 9, 10 and it's 11.
5 meter from its
मतलब
main
it's a,
point.
yes, 10 point 10 बज करके 10 मिनट 1 सेकंड पर वो कहाँ पर था, 5 मीटर पे था, राइट ना. 2 मिनट 2 सेकंड पे कहाँ पहुंच गया, 6 पे. So what is the distance traveled here? Tell me. It's a 0. So displacement is here 1, and here the displacement is
Not
here
the initial
1.
position से
Here
5
initial position is 5, right now. Always it not necessary to be 0 here. जरूर थोड़ी हमेशा 0 होगा. Right now the moon, if you are calculating, going to calculate the position of moon, तो moon से पहले रुको, मुझे 0 पे आने दो पहले, then you will start calculating. What nonsense. Right now the initial position can be anywhere else, right now. Otherwise moon will stop for the kids calculating my motion. I should stop now just, right? Why? Because I am Chanda Mama. So cannot go, please. Is that clear or not? Mama के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे, right? So 9 minus 8 is what here. Then again it's 1, again it's 1, it's 1, it's 1. You may see that here. It's traveling every second is traveling 1, 1, 1, 1. अब 1 1 नहीं 2 2 भी चल सकता है. 2 इसलिए लिया कि इंसान के लिए 1 सेकंड में 2 मीटर चलना बहुत बड़ी बात है ना. So I just did not take this, but it can be. So this is called uniform motion. You will draw the graph. If the graphical representation you will do, what type of graph will come? Straight line graph. It's a 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. This. You may see. It's a 5 suppose. So it's what here? 6, 7, 8,
Sir, this
9,
is
10.
uniform motion.
Yeah, this. Join this all.
Sir, this is
Uniform motion. This is
So
called
what's the difference between accelerated and non-accelerated?
accelerator. I'm telling you. Is there an acceleration? What is the speed? What is the change in time? 1.
1,
What is the displacement? What is the change in displacement?
1, no, 0.
You may see that its velocity कितनी होता है यहाँ से तक 1 meter in 1 second. Velocity is the displacement upon time. So displacement is what here? Displacement here what? I'm telling the displacement. We are calculating speed or velocity. Velocity. Look here. Here the velocity is 0, right now. What is the displacement here? 1. The displacement is 1. कितने देर में बताएं please? 1. So 1 divided by is 1. What is the displacement here? 1. कितने सेकंड में? 1. 1 divided by 1. What is the displacement here? 1. 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 1. It's moving with constant velocity. There is no velocity change. No velocity
Means
change.
no acceleration.
So there is no acceleration is what here? Change in velocity. Change in velocity. That is we can have v2 minus v1.
V1.
So what is change in velocity? 0.
Zero.
What is change in velocity? 0. So it is not a accelerated motion. ये accelerated नहीं है.
नहीं है.
अब velocity change दो तरह का होता है. There are 2 types of velocity change can be here. I'm telling velocity change. If there were अगर ये ऐसा होता है. Suppose its displacement, it will be what here? It will be 6. It will be what here? 8. It will be what here? 10. Well, clear or not? It's a 8, 10. It shall be what? 11. It shall be 15. And it shall be what here? 20. Is that clear? Now look, displacement is what here? It's a 1. Or displacement what here? 2. Displacement 3 meter. Displacement 4 meter. Displacement 5 meter. Is that clear? So displacement एक एक सेकंड में, पहले सेकंड में कितना चला उसने? 1. सेकंड सेकंड में 2. थर्ड सेकंड में 3. Means equal this time interval but unequal displacement. So what type of motion is this? Non-uniform. Time equal time interval है ना 1 second. In first second he is traveling 1 meter. In next first second he is traveling what? 2 meter.
2 meter. अच्छा.
ये distance is 2 meter because he is reaching at the position 8th meter. Right now, in next 1 second he is traveling 3. हर एक सेकंड में अलग अलग डिस्टेंस चल रहा है. राइट नाउ इक्वल सेकंड, इक्वल 1 सेकंड, अनइक्वल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. When an object travel unequal displacement in equal time interval, then object motion is said to be non-uniform. Non-uniform topic खत्म. Now it's traveling the different distance. So what is the velocity? What about the velocity? We need to give velocity. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का displacement 1 सेकंड का. So displacement अपन is
1.
it's 0, it's 1. यहाँ से तक का डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना है?
1.
ये लिखा है ना?
2.
2 सेकेंड. कितनी देर में? 2 में. 2. राइट नाउ हियर इज व्हाट हियर? 3. यहाँ डिस्प्लेसमेंट 4. इट्स व्हाट हियर? 5. पहले स्पीड कितनी थी उसकी? 0. स्पीड कितनी है? 1 सेकंड. 1. फिर स्पीड कितनी थी?
2.
देन स्पीड वाज स्पीड चेंज. हियर चेंजेस व्हाट? 1. हियर चेंजेस 1. हियर चेंजेस 1. हियर चेंजेस 1. मतलब ये एक मीटर की स्पीड बदल रही है. तो द चेंज इन स्पीड इज कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन. और कैसा एक्सेलरेशन है? यूनिफॉर्म. एक एक्सेलरेशन. राइट नाउ द एक्सेलरेशन इज यूनिफॉर्म. हाँ, अगर ये आप नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेटेड कैसे बनाएंगे? दिस इज जनरली नॉट डिस्कस इन योर कोर्स. राइट नाउ ये नॉन यूनिफॉर्म कैसे होगा सर? आई एम टेलिंग दिस पैटर्न देख लीजिए आप. इट्स 5 6. कितना गैप हुआ? 1. फिर कितने गैप हुआ? 2 का.
2.
कुछ भी गैप कर दीजिए. 6 के बाद 9 कर दीजिए. राइट ना. फिर आप यहाँ 3 मत गैप करिए, 6 का गैप कर दीजिए आप. राइट नो. तो कुछ भी गैप आने लगेगा फिर. राइट नो. सो हियर विल 1 0. हियर 1 आएगा. यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? 3. फिर यहाँ क्या आएगा? 7. फिर क्या आ जाएगा? अचानक फिर 6 आ जाएगा. फिर क्या आ जाएगा? 15. कुछ भी आने लगेगा. राइट. तो इट्स स्पीड इज 1. इट्स स्पीड इज 2. इट्स स्पीड इज 4. इट्स स्पीड इज व्हाट हियर? फिर से 3. इट्स स्पीड इज व्हाट हियर? राइट नो. 8 9. कुछ भी स्पीड है. देखिए acceleration 1, acceleration 2, acceleration 4, acceleration, right? So it is called non-uniform accelerated motion. So non-uniform accelerated motion actually I have not discussed in concern in your talk, in your course. Clear? So well understood what is called accelerated and non-accelerated motion. So we understand the motion with the graphical representation. And what type of graphical representation we give here? XT curve and VT curve. Another quantity that we discuss in XT and VT curve is what? Slope. So slope of XT curve give what? Slope of XT curve give the velocity. And the slope of XT curve, VT curve give the acceleration. Right now? That be graphical representation, uniform accelerated motion. So derivation of what? Equations of motion. So what you will write? Derivations of equations of motion. Right now, किसके use करेंगे? VT का. What is your first line? Let an object is moving in uniform accelerated motion. At accelerated uniform motion, the graphical representation, the initial velocity of object was u. After t time, it achieves velocity v. Right now, is that clear or not? The velocity time graph of the object is shown as in the figure. So you will draw the figure. Clear or not? So initial velocity was 8 here. It's a u. So the coordinate geometry. It's what here? 0 0. 4 point here. Here. So the 0 time and initial velocity u. And here what here? Time is what here? T. So its coordinates are here t times velocity v. It's a point P or it's a point Q. So draw the perpendicular. It's a velocity. Velocity. Clear now? Draw perpendicular. It's 90 degree. PQ or is what here? R. It's 90 degree also. right? So this quantity is said to be slope. So start writing this here. Since acceleration is equal to what here? Slope of
Slope of
VT curve. First equation, start deriving. What is slope here? QR divided by
divided by PR.
PR. Well, understood here not? What is QR? From here to here is what? V. What is here to here? It's
V minus U.
U. So what this is? V minus U. So here will V minus U. Or what is PR? Here to here, here to here. What is this?
T.
It's a T or it's a equation. Simplify, you will obtain the first equation of motion. Well, clear now? Now second equation of motion is a first. What is second equation of motion? Displacement. How can you find out displacement? Displacement is this area between vertical. Is that clear now? So here you will write down here. Displacement S is equal to area, okay, of VT curve. Area VT curve between what time axis.
Time.
So what type of figure? The two figures are being found here. It's a, you will give area 1 and it's a area 2. So you will write down area 1 plus area 2. Right now, what type of figure the area 1 is? Rectangle. Rectangle length into breadth. What is length? Here to here, here to here, U, or here to here what? T.
T.
It's area first here. Second, area of triangle is half.
Half into
Base is what?
height.
This can be base.
Base. QR.
And what is height here? V minus.
V minus U.
From the equation V minus U. What is V minus U? 80.
80.
Put here 80. Second equation derived. Is that clear? What the third equation here? How can we derive the third equation? So third equation is what? Again displacement is equal to area of trapezium. So PQ, here you can give here S. PQSO. Area PQSO. What type of geometry is this here? Trapezium. Trapezium formula is what here? Half sum of parallel side. These are two parallel sides here. This plus this. What is that? U
V plus
plus U. And height is what here? From here to here, this is height. It's what?
T.
T or it's a S.
S.
So here will U plus V divided by 2
2.
or here T. But we don't not need here T. T needs here. So here from T. T is equal to V minus U divided by A. Put here this V minus U divided by A or here. So pattern create करने के लिए U plus V can be written as a V plus U. U plus V can be written as a V plus U because addition is commutative. Not
Yes.
that.
It's so much.
V plus A plus B, A minus B. Answer V square minus U square and twice a transfer here. Third equation of motion. Hence derived or not? The second portion. The second portion of the chapter is also very important. That is a numerical. You have to solve the numerical. What is the trick of solving numerical? Write down the given quantities. Object starting journey from rest U0. Object closing its journey at rest V0. Acceleration is given in question. Displacement you have to find and read the time carefully. Put and use the equation which is to be best used for solving question. Is that clear? The physics is very simple. Please appreciate it numerically and solve this question. Well, clear or not?
Yes.
So now we are taking a question as example. How will you solve this? Well, clear. Take a 1 minute look of these graphical representations, first equation, second equation, so that it can configure the concept in your mind. Okay. Take a 20-second, 30-second look for that.
Sir, O point कहाँ पे है? What? Nothing.
And along with this, learn or read the definition of acceleration. The article number 16 on the statement. Please observe the article number 16 on the statement.
The rate at which the velocity changes for acceleration of vector quantity.
Okay, please write a question. Give the graphical representation. Give the graphical representation. Give the graphical representation. Graphical representation. Give the graphical representation. Give the graphical representation of uniform accelerated motion. Of uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion. In the term of xt curve or vt curve. In the terms of xt curve and vt curve. xt curve and vt curve.
Sir, XT curve or VT curve?
xt curve and vt curve. Okay, draw the curve here, please. Accelerated motion is there. Okay, xt curve. The question I gave you xt curve for uniform accelerated motion. Are these equation of motion for uniform accelerated motion? Yes. xt curve means this is the displacement is actually the result of xt. Position time कहते हैं इसे. It is called position time equation. क्या कहलाती है? Position time equation. Is position time equation. So tell please, if अगर ये polynomial हो, s is the polynomial, so it is the polynomial of t. So what type of polynomial the s is of t?
Sir, repeat.
What type of polynomial the s is of t? Quadratic. है ना quadratic? Because the power or degree of t is 2. So quadratic polynomial. So what type of graph comes for quadratic polynomial? Time t is t in second, or its a position. This position. What type of curve will come like this? If it will, ये अगर 1 होगा तो ये भी 1 होगा. If it is 2, then it will be 4. मतलब इधर कम बढ़ेगा और ऊपर की तरफ ज्यादा बढ़ेगा. अगर इस तरफ और इस तरफ बराबर बढ़े तो कर्व ऐसा आता है, और अगर इधर ज्यादा बढ़े तो कर्व ऐसा आता है. Certainly not. So what type of curve will come here? Please tell me. The curve will come as graphical, quadratic. ऐसे कहते हैं parabolic. क्या कहते हैं इसे? Parabolic. Is that clear? So the variety question is there. Student से पूछेंगे what type of motion is this? तो वो कहेगा कि non-uniform motion. Yes, it is non-uniform, but it is uniform accelerated motion. क्योंकि उसने एक चीज सीख लिया, सीधा खींच दिया तो यूनिफॉर्म बोल देना है, और नहीं खींचा तो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म बोल देना. अरे व्हाट नॉनसेंस, इट्स ए यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन है ये.
Sir, how we can differentiate between non-uniform and uniform accelerated motion?
दोनों बातें अलग अलग हैं. यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन कैन बी ऑफ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, राइट नाउ, बट एवरी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन कैन नॉट बी यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन. यूनिफॉर्म इन द रेफरेंस ऑफ वेलोसिटी था वो. अगर वेलोसिटी कांस्टेंट है तो यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, और वेलोसिटी और स्पीड कांस्टेंट नहीं है तो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. अब वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेटेड हो सकता है. इज दैट क्लियर और नॉट? सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हियर? vt, टाइम एक्सिस और इट्स वेलोसिटी एक्सिस. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कर्व विल कम हियर?
Straight.
आप बोलेंगे व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज इट, तो बोले सर आपने स्ट्रेट खींच दिया ना, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. अरे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन वेलोसिटी इज व्हाट हियर, द वेलोसिटी इज वरिंग, वेलोसिटी बदल रही है और कैसे बदल रही है, एक सी, यूनिफॉर्म. So velocity change is called acceleration. So this is a uniform accelerated motion. They both are uniform accelerated motion. बस सर यूनिफॉर्म जैसे आप बोलते हैं मेरे को स्ट्रेट लाइन ही दिखती है. एक ही वर्ड याद कर लिया क्या, यूनिफॉर्म. Uniform accelerated motion, both are uniform accelerated motion, but this is the dependency of position with time quadratic.
So means
और
अगर
position
पोजीशन चेंज
dependence-
हो रहा है तो कर्व आएगा और अगर वेलोसिटी चेंज होगी तो स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी, बट दोनों एक्सेलरेटेड होंगे.
Yeah. Velocity और time की डिपेंडेंसी कैसी होगी, लीनियर.
लीनियर.
So straight line curve will come here. The graphical representation for a variable of a polynomial looks like a line, so it's called linear. Right now, velocity कौन सा फंक्शन है उसका, सिंगल पावर, और सिंगल पावर इज कॉल्ड लीनियर. ठीक है, so graphical representation is this way. Well clear. Take a numerical. We are just going to solve the numerical question number. Any question we selected this? Different typical graphs have been given in the page number 4. Same study with you, please. Look this, and how can we solve this? We'll think this.
So skill test.
Skill test, no, it's an average type questions. Some difficult questions we are just selecting as. Where are these?
NCERT.
Okay, NCERT question there. Taking this. What the NCERT questionnaire is saying here, an object travels 16 meter. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds. And then another 16 to second. What is the average? Different it is. The average it can be found out by total distance upon total time. Speed and velocity, average velocity, total displacement upon total time is there also. Well, clear. And further next is what? The odometer of a car reads. The odometer of the car reads 2,000 kilometer. Right at the start of trip and 2,400 kilometer at the end of the trip. Is that clear now? If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour. So one thing also to remember here, 1 kilometer speed is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. This is to be 1,000 meter divided by 3,600
Before
seconds.
motion car का odometer
It's a 5 or it's a 18. Remember this, okay? This is a factor that will help you to solve that. Meter per second. Very clear or not? Now next is what saying here?
So I'm saying that before motion कार का मतलब कार का odometer अपनी rating 20 the
Odometer means your distance, how much you are traveling.
Yeah, means car.
Obviously, odometer will
motion
give the
से पहले
distance.
ना,
You go to the market, its a reading is 3 kilometer.
Means-
Come back to the house 6 kilometer. अगर displacement बताएगा तो बार-बार zero नहीं होगा odometer. So what the nonsense it is in? It has to tell how much your car traveled. So it will tell you distance, not it will tell you displacement. The questioner is asking, your car's odometer reads displacement or distance? Is testing your knowledge right now. So the odometer of the car reads distance, not displacement. Okay. Now next questioner is that USA streams. These all question based on the average speed or velocity right now. So your assignment of the day that you have to do is that question number first 6 question numerical you will solve from the NCERT text. Okay, that will help you to improve your assessment tomorrow. Is that clear, guys? I shall also check this work on Monday. Is that clear? Thank you very much, and you will please kindly appreciate your test assessment that you will give online tomorrow. Right now, thank you.